Welcome to my another diecast review on a. Sorry if you're watching this. I deleted the previous video, but this is it. This is a diecast review on a Clint Bowyer Rush Truck Center's car. It's box, so you got 14 Rush Truck Centers, 2020 Ford Mustang. So I got this on Circle B Diecast. Check Circle B Diecast out on your NASCAR diecast, or they do some random NASCAR IndyCar diecast. Here's the diecast. And when I first saw this, it's like, look at this. Look at this crap. Look at the grill. Compare compare trying to find a Mustang to compare the like, sorry about the paint quality, the damage. It's supposed to be like that, but the whole is like, what the heck? And they were like, oh my god, if I, oh crap, like that on the red, yellow. When I first got it, there was paint chip right there by the, oh my lord. This car is just, it's just ridiculous. Look at the front end. Look at this. I bet OBB is gonna be mad. You see this? Look at this headlights, way off the mold. So is this. This is pathetic. Spent $9 on this. This is $9 quality. It's, sorry, it's the background noise. It's my mom, my sister, and Lex are watching a funny video on YouTube. But if you want this diecast, it's gonna be on Circle B Diecast. It's getting a little kind of rare. A Clint Bowyer car is kind of rare because it's Clint Bowyer. It's diecast cars are kind of rare. You don't see them like this. I have a Clint Bowyer 20. This car is actually maybe a leaked version of my diecast review. I'm gonna do a diecast review on this. This is the longest continuing car I have. And so back to this car. This scheme got Clint Bowyer 2 stage wins in a row at Darlington. He then his final time driving 14 car was Phoenix. How did you know that was Bowyer's first and final start was at Phoenix? That's kind of odd for a driver from Emporia, Kansas. This guy is probably one of my guys I liked when I was watching the NASCAR. I was like, dude, this guy's cool. He's funny. He's classy. This guy is very well-deserved driver in the Cup Series. Sorry, this is a little bit long. Then it might continue diecast review, but this might be the best diecast. The best from the. I don't have the comparison, but I'll do a double comparison when I have the other 2019 Rush Truck Center's car from. What are you doing, 14 car? Stay right there. Stay. No. Just sake of it. So this car is by far the best. This was Clint Bowyer's final start, the final scheme he's gonna run. He finished 6th in this scheme back in Daytona 500. Sixth. They say ninth. No, sixth. He crossed the line sixth, but flipping right knew and finished ninth. He didn't finish. As you look at the scoring loops around the racetrack, he finished sixth. Technically, I call it he finished sixth because he crossed the start finish line sixth, and he just had a interesting season. Sorry, that guy's running. This might be in my new background I might do for my diecast review. So, this is permanent for now. This is my diecast review studio right now for here I live two towns, technically three, but the third one's for my dad. But I'll see you in another diecast review. Like, comment, subscribe on these diecast reviews. So go on Circle Diecast. Their website is going to be English is hard. Description below. God, that's a tongue twister. I hate English. See you next time on another diecast review on a Clint Bowyer car I love. See you next time on another diecast review.